that breaker in 35, sir. We're northbound. What's going on, Officer Petros, Police Department? Reason for the stops, you didn't use your turn signal when you made the right in here.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, do you have your ID on you? Thank you.
Alright, I'm sorry about that.
Nothing. Any weapons or anything in the car? What are you worried about?
Is it cool if I pat you down, dude? Just make sure you don't have any guns or anything.
811, shots fired, shots fired!
Oh my god!
Suspect is down.
Nice.
Alright, start or stage EMS. We're gonna need more units. Your code's off. Breaker. Eastbound. Hey man, where's the gun at?
Cleve,
Let me see your hands. You're reaching.
No, I'm not working.
Yes, you are. Do me a favor, man, okay?
line of fires towards Michi Lobos.
Alright?
From the
We're
service
gonna
road.
get you help.
We are in the Chevron parking lot on the east side driveway.
Hey, do me a favor, bro. Alright? Hey, crawl to your left. Alright, where's the gun at?
We only see one hand.
Careful.
Leave the guns on his right side. He's stating he cannot move, cannot see his left hands. For 43.
Get the vehicle.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. You turn it off.
No, you're gonna stay there. Hey, I'm just gonna come back here because she's in the line of fire and she has a kid.
Alright, that's fine.
I'm not moving. You're not moving.
Hey, Kirschberg,
I got lethal.
I'm gonna have her and her kid move back.
Alright.
Can you open your door? Open your door. Open your door. Open your door. Open one of your doors.
Just move to my car. Move to my car.
Hands! Hey, I'm moving up.
Yeah, both of us are.
Do not reach for the gun! Let me see your hands.
I'm reaching.
Where's it at? It was right waistband. We saw the imprint.
It's underneath. I think it's under me.
Roll over.
Roll over in your stomach.
Do it
Roll
now.
over in your stomach.
Alright, flip him over. Flip him over.
Hey,
Simple glove up. Put your hands behind. Where's the gun?
you got gloves, Kirsch?
No, I do not.
I get drinking water.
Where's the gun at, dude?
I don't know, sir.
Keep your arms.
No, I can't move.
You can't reach like that, dude.
No, I'm not
Hey,
reaching.
give me his other hand.
Can I drink your water, please? You don't gotta handcuff me. I'm not doing nothing, man.
It's over there. There's some gun.
I threw it.
It's in my pants.
Get the gun.
It's underneath. It's in my right here.
Back of his underwear or something. Mag or...
Right here, right here. Gun. Watch out.
Where's it at?
It's right here. It's right here.
She knows by my car. She has a kid.
Back of the Tahoe.
She has a kid.